GMP. Good manufacturing practices. GMP. GMP is that part of quality assurance which ensures that the products are consistently manufactured and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to their intended use. GMP principles. 1. Write the step-by-step procedure of Standard Operating Procedures (SOPs). 2. Enforce the SOPs procedure. 3. Document process and procedures timely and accurately for traceability purposes. 4. Validate your processes and the effectiveness of your SOPs. 5. Incorporate quality and safety into the facilities and equipment. 6. Maintain the facility systems and equipment on a regular basis and record it. 7. Establish job competence internally. 8. Promote cleanliness through routine sanitization. 9. Implement a systematic quality control of both processes and components. 10. Conduct regular audits to ensure regulatory compliance and GMP effectiveness. GMP importance. The GMP covers all aspects anywhere in the supply chain or manufacturing environment. Work of GMP is also that products are labeled correctly for recall and traceability purposes. Pest control is also an important aspect. Thanks for watching. Smarter every day.